Welcome to this lesson on algebraic factorization. Today, let us work through a classic and very common problem. The expression in front of us is 9x squared plus 6xy plus y squared. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to break this down into its simplest factor form, using a clear step-by-step method any beginner can follow. Before jumping into the problem, let us understand what factorization really means. Factorization is the process of breaking an algebraic expression into a product of simpler expressions, called its factors. When you multiply those factors back together, you get the original expression. In short, factorization is just the reverse of multiplication. We unmake the product to find out what was multiplied to form it. Now let us look carefully at the three terms of our expression. The first term is 9x squared. The middle term is 6xy, which contains both variables x and y. The last term is y squared. Notice something important. The first term, 9x squared, is a perfect square because it equals 3x multiplied by itself, and the last term, y squared, is also a perfect square. These clues tell us which identity to use. Whenever the first and last terms of a trinomial are perfect squares, and the middle term fits a special relationship, we can apply the identity. The identity says that a plus b whole squared equals a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. To use this pattern, three conditions must be true. The first term must be a perfect square, the last term must be a perfect square, and the middle term must be exactly twice the product of a and b. Let us now find the values of a and b in our expression. The first term is 9x squared. We know that 9x squared is the same as 3x whole squared. So it equals 3x. The last term is y squared, which is just y whole squared. So b equals y. With these two values identified, we are more than halfway done. Before jumping to the final answer, we must verify that the middle term fits the pattern. According to the identity, the middle term should be 2 times a times b. Plugging in our values, we get 2 multiplied by 3x multiplied by y, which equals 6xy. That exactly matches the middle term of our expression. So the pattern a plus b whole squared applies perfectly here. Now comes the satisfying part. Since our expression matches the identity a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, we can rewrite it directly as a plus b whole squared. Substituting a equals 3x and b equals y, we get the factor form as 3x plus y, the whole thing squared. And there we have our final answer. The expression 9x squared plus 6xy plus y squared, when factorized, becomes 3x plus y whole squared. This can also be written as 3x plus y multiplied by 3x plus y. Both forms represent the same factorized expression. To make sure our answer is correct, let us expand it and check. 3x plus y whole squared is the same as 3x plus y multiplied by 3x plus y. Applying distribution, we get 9x squared plus 3xy plus 3xy plus y squared. Combining the like terms gives 9x squared plus 6xy plus y squared. That is our original expression, which confirms our factorization is completely correct. A very common mistake beginners make is forgetting the coefficient 3 when taking the square root of 9x squared. Writing the answer as simply x plus y whole squared would be wrong because that only expands to x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. Always take the full square root, including the numerical coefficient, and remember the golden rule. Before concluding, always verify that 2ab equals the middle term. Let us quickly recap the method. First, spot the pattern by checking if the first and last terms are perfect squares. Second, find and b by taking those square roots. Third, verify that the middle term equals 2ab. Fourth, rewrite the expression as a plus b whole squared. Following these simple steps, we have successfully factorized 9x squared plus 6xy plus y squared into 3x plus y whole squared. Thanks for watching and happy learning.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.